Modern agriculture technology papaya farming, papaya cultivation and harvesting process. Papaya is a tropical fruit and is well known for its delectable sweetness and vibrant eye-catching color. It has been centuries since the papaya has been cultivated and utilized. Native to Central America, its popularity has spread globally due to its unique taste and numberless benefits to health. We delve deep into the realm of papaya cultivation so that you can enjoy the whole video and soak in the whole information. Papaya planting involves selecting a sunny location with well-drained soil. Prepare the soil by adding compost. Plant papaya seeds or seedlings, spacing them adequately. Water regularly and mulch to retain moisture. Protect young plants from pests. Papayas typically take 9 to 12 months to harvest. Let's not forget to join this wonderful community by subscribing to the channel for more similar videos. Re-energized seeds are an incredible way to develop papaya trees and are easily acquired. It takes the tiniest prep to get a surplus of seeds from one fruit. You can utilize stored papaya, or even if you're living in an appropriate growing papaya zone, you can also use locally grown papaya seeds. They are easy to plant. Once they mature, they can give you approximately 100 papayas for each tree. From seed, it takes 12 months to grow and produce fruit for a papaya tree. Optimal conditions and sufficient care can minimize the time to 6 months, though. However, living in a proper climate is also important, as papaya tree growth occurs only when the environment is frost-free. Frost conditions can kill a papaya tree. Well, it always remains helpful to keep the necessary conditions in mind before taking a step ahead. Here is the list of some essential steps. Exposure to sun. Spacing. Germinating. Soil and fertilizer. Watering. Pruning. Take care of diseases and pests. One must keep this in mind and take action accordingly. Harvesting is the very next step when everything has been done in a good way. Let's start harvesting them. They are graded on size, color, and weight. On ripening, fruits with various varieties turn yellow, but many of them remain green. When the latex ceases to be milky and juicy, the fruits are suggested to be harvested. Picking from trees is a hard job. You have to take care that the fruit is not blemished or cracked, as it can be infected by fungus. They do suitable grading, and then the packing process begins with auto machines, another easy job. Since papayas are easily perishable, care should be paid on individual pieces. Post-harvest treatment with silver nitrate extends the shelf life without even affecting palatability. Papaya can be stored at 7 degrees Celsius, which will have a casual ripening. The stored life also can be extended by keeping them at 13 degrees Celsius with 1.0 to 1.5% oxygen. Moreover, storage under less pressure and waxing the fruit has also reduced the disease incidence and added a long life to the stored fruit. Cooling treatments after the heat process has minimized heat injury incidents. In storage-controlled atmosphere also has been found beneficial in delayed ripening, firmness retention, and safety from chilling injuries. So these technical ways are helping in many aspects of farming, along with other fields. Furthermore, papayas can give you fruit for 25 years, with an average lifetime of around 20 years or so. Cultivation. This is the other step to take. Before embarking on your papaya cultivation journey, It's vital to select an appropriate variety that could develop and grow in your climate and preferences. It reaches assorted types such as Hawaii Solo, Mexican Red, Caribbean Red, Guinea Gold Papaya, Hortus Gold, Tai Nung Papaya, etc. While choosing the best variety according to your region, also count on rainfall conditions, average temperature, and the area available for planting. Papaya seeds require a soaking time of 3 to 4 hours in warm water about 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. It can be planted in many types of soils. However, sandy, heavy clay, and sticky soils are not suitable for the plantation. Standing water in papaya roots usually causes damage to the plant. Even 48 hours of submergence can be disastrous for the plant. Many times, heavy rainfall causes diseases like root rot or foot roots. These diseases can hunt the plant and even kill the plant within a few days. That's why sloppy land is preferable in this regard. For propagation purposes, seeds are generally collected from healthy female plants that are ripe and large-sized. Often, seeds do not germinate as they already have lost their viability in previous days. It often seems helpful to remove the seed cover as it rapidly increases growth. Removing covers is not a hard task to do. Just soak the seeds for 2 to 3 days and they can be easily done by a light rubbering. After the process is done, the seeds can be sown immediately or could be kept after drying them off. However, they shouldn't be dried in direct sunlight. A well-drained land is selected. In open and upland areas, plants welcome the strong winds and storms. That's why proper windbreak boundaries are prepared for the firm and established plants. In papaya orchards, the seed rate is 260 to 300 grams per hectare. Papayas are planted from February to March and in autumn from October to November. A space of 1.8 by 1.8 meters is normal. Anyhow, high-density cultivation requires 1.5 by 1.5 meters per hectare. Seedlings are kept in pits of 60 by 60 by 60 centimeters size. Pits are filled with the soil, including 20 kilograms of farmyard manure with 1 kilogram neem cake and 1 kilogram bone meal, as papaya plants require heavy quantities of manure. Ostensibly, at 10 kilograms per plant applied in the pits, 200 to 250 grams, each of nitrogen, phosphorus pentoxide, and potassium oxide are suggested for getting a high production, though an appliance of 200 grams. Nitrogen is vital for fruit production, but it can be increased if added 1 more 100 grams. Also, potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus are realized to be used for high yields. The irrigation timetable has to be set according to the soil type and other circumstances. In the beginning, the protective irrigation is done, but after that, irrigation is done at fortnightly gap in winter and a gap of 10 days in summer. The papaya plant grows rapidly, so there is no time to remove weeds. However, it plays a rolling model. Insect pests are seen in fruit flies, commonly anyhow in all cases. Infected parts of the plant should be removed with the application of prophylactic sprays of dimethoate or methyl dimeton, 0.05%. Powdery mildew, anthracnose, damping off, and stem rot are common diseases. For them, the application of wettable sulfur, 1 gram per liter, carbendazime methyl, 1 gram per liter, and kavach, 2 grams per liter, are considered more effective than any other sprays and fertilizers. All these processes take a time of almost 11 to 12 months. Hope you liked the video until the end and you have shared it with your friends. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video. Stay with us until the next interesting episode.